In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Patreon. First, make sure you're logged into your Patreon creator account. From there, head over to your main Patreon dashboard. This is your home base where you manage your page, posts, and earnings. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Creator Settings and click on it. This is where Patreon keeps all the important controls for your account, including billing and how you get paid. Once the Creator Settings page opens, look toward the top of the screen for the Billing and Payouts tab and click on that. This section is specifically designed for managing how money moves in and out of your Creator account. Now, find the button that says Add Payout Method and select it. This will start the process of setting up how Patreon will send your earnings to you. You'll be taken to a payout setup page. At the top, you'll see a drop-down for country. Click on that, then start typing the name of your country and select it from the list. Choosing the correct country is important because it determines which payout options and currencies are available to you. Next, Patreon will ask if you're a US resident or not. Click the option that applies to you. After that, you'll be asked whether you're signing up as an individual or something else, like a business. Select the choice that best describes you, then click. Next to continue. Now you'll see a list of payout methods, such as bank transfer, Payoneer, or PayPal. Click Select under the option you want to use. In this example, we'll continue with bank transfer. You'll now need to enter some personal details. Click into the first name field and type your first name, then into the last name field and type your last name, exactly as they appear on your bank account. Next, open the country of residence dropdown, choose your country, and then add your date of birth. After that, fill in your full address. Start with address line 1, then your city, and finally your postal or zip code. Take a moment to double check this information so it matches your banking records. Scroll down and tick the checkbox to agree to Patreon's privacy policies and terms. Once that's done, click Next. On the next screen, click on Connect to Payoneer, even if you chose bank transfer earlier. Don't worry, you don't need a separate Payoneer account for this step when using the Patreon flow. Finally, you'll be asked for your bank details. Add your bank country, the currency you want to be paid in, the account holder name, and your IBAN or bank account information. Review the terms, confirm everything is correct, then click Submit. Once that's done, your payout method is set up and your Patreon earnings will be sent to your chosen account.